fams, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. So today I am getting ready to give you guys a decorating video. I am in my dining room and I am wanting to decorate this beautiful wall shelf that I made. However, it is tilting and I'm not sure why, so I'm gonna have to go ahead and reinforce that, as you can see, so the trees are not going to be staying up there. I'm going to actually switch gears and decorate my console table, like my little buffet instead. And I also left the clip in because I wanted you guys to see what I go through decorating my home. It's not always, you know, cute and always like in order and all that good stuff. Sometimes it's a big mess, and you're going to get to see as everything comes tumbling down on top of me. So I left that clip in because I wanted you guys to see that. But I am decorating with these trees. I actually got these from Home Goods from the after Christmas clearance sale, and you guys, you would not believe the prices. I mean, what I got for all of these trees, I got them for the price of one of these trees. So I will definitely be doing a haul video coming up soon with these trees. I just couldn't wait for Christmas this year. I just wanted to show it to you guys because the prices were unbelievable and unbeatable. So I am going to decorate this dining room, starting with the console table, and then gradually we'll get into decorating the entire dining room for winter. So sit back, relax, enjoy this video, and enjoy the music.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby, I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undenying, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble and everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you, our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time.
So this is where everything literally came tumbling down. And I was so grateful that only one of the trees broke, you guys. And it didn't break that badly, but y'all, and these are real wood. So I was like standing there frozen, but at the same time, I was trying to protect my toes because I knew if at least one of them fell on my toes, that was it, game over. So I was trying to protect my toes. And then afterwards, I was just like, you know what? I'm just going to go ahead and take them down and decorate my console table, because I just cannot picture any one of my kids or myself or my husband or a guest sitting underneath this little shelf and these trees come tumbling down on them. What a disaster that would be. So you can see I'm kind of looking over and trying to figure out if I should still do it or if I should switch gears. So eventually I did switch gears and I moved on to my console table.
All that greatness in all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby, I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undenying, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble and everlasting
So this is the way that it turned out, you guys, and I just love it. I love how neutral it is. I love how woodsy it is. It's so rustic, but at the same time, it's just so beautiful. It's like a simple design for the winter, and I am loving all the trees and all the greenery and all the wood tones. It just looks incredible. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video, and I hope that you can, take some type of inspiration from it, that you can create something out of simple decor, simple design, and whatever you have in your home, you can use it as a versatile piece or versatile pieces. And I mean, when you add greenery and pine cones and wood tones to a winterscape, it just is so beautiful. I also love the twinkly lights in the picture frames and the mirror. I think that was one of my favorite things for the Christmas season, was that tree, the twinkly lights in the mirror, and on the frames as well. So I just love it. And adding the brass mirror, it's absolutely gorgeous, and I'm so in love. So this is what my console table is going to look like for the winter, and I am so happy about it. Stay tuned for the next video as we continue to decorate my dining room for the winter season. And yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Remember that Jesus is Lord. He loves you, and I love you too. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.